How's it going, guys? Dr. Henry here, and today we're going to work on hacking the bird dog exercise. All right, guys, we're going to make this a little bit tougher in 3 different ways. So the first thing we can do is we can work on creating tension. So a lot of times you see people doing exercises like planks or like the bird dog, and they can just do 1,000 reps because they're not creating a ton of tension here. So we want to bring on lots of tension. That's going to make it a little bit more tougher for you as well. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to eliminate some of the rest between the reps. So instead of just kind of doing a rep of the bird dog, kind of relaxing, we're just going to kind of bring our arm down and keep going. We'll show you in a minute, so just bear with me. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some movement so we can draw different movements with our different shapes with our arms and our legs. We're going to go over how to do it with a box. So here's what all this looks like.